Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create random fills in Adobe Photoshop using 3 different but highly effective methods. Whether you are working on a background, a complex digital art piece, or just want to populate a canvas with specific objects quickly without manual placement, these techniques will save you hours of tedious work. If this video helps you improve your creative workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more professional design tutorials. Let's dive right into the first method, which is the pattern fill method. This is the fastest way to take a single subject and turn it into a repeating, random-style layout. First, open your image in Photoshop and select your subject. You can do this quickly by going to the Select menu at the top and choosing Subject. Once Photoshop has made the selection, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to place that subject onto its own transparent layer. With that layer selected, go to Edit and then Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name, like Subject Fill, and click OK. Now, create a new layer or go to your main canvas and go to Layer, New Fill Layer, and select Pattern. In the dialog box that appears, select the subject pattern you just created. From here, you can adjust the scale to make the subjects larger or smaller within the fill. This creates a dense, repeating random-style layout across your entire workspace in seconds. Now let's move on to method 2, which is the brush scatter technique. This is arguably the most powerful method because it allows for true randomness in placement, rotation, and size. Start again by selecting your subject and pressing Ctrl+J to get it on a clean layer. Now go to Edit and choose Define Brush Preset. Once you have saved your brush, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. This is where the magic happens. Open your brush settings panel, which you can find under the Window menu. Click on Scattering and increase the scatter percentage significantly. You will also want to go into Shape Dynamics and increase the size jitter and angle jitter. This ensures that every time the brush stamps the subject, it appears at a different size and a different rotation. Now, simply click and drag across your canvas. You will see your subjects appearing randomly scattered in a natural, organic way that looks much less digital than a standard pattern. If you want more control, you can adjust the count and count jitter to decide how many subjects appear with each stroke. If you are enjoying these tips so far, please remember to like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow. Finally, let's look at method 3, which is the random pattern fill script. This is built directly into Photoshop's fill engine. First, use the lasso tool by pressing L to draw a selection around the area you want to fill. It could be the whole canvas or just a specific shape. Once your selection is active, go to Edit and then Fill. In the Fill dialog box, change the Contents dropdown to Pattern. Select your custom subject pattern that we made in the first step. Before hitting OK, look for the Script checkbox at the bottom. Check that box and choose Random Fill from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can adjust density, color randomness, and rotation. This is perfect for generating a less uniform, more textured look than the standard pattern fill. It is a fantastic way to create realistic fills for backgrounds or environmental textures. By using these 3 methods, you have full control over how your subjects are distributed across your design. You can go from a structured repeating pattern to a chaotic, organic scatter in just a few clicks. I hope this tutorial makes your design process much faster and more enjoyable. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more deep dives into Photoshop features. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.